Welcome to Learn English YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn the names of rooms and furniture in a home, from the kitchen to the living room. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. Let's begin. Kitchen,
Kitchen,
fridge,
fridge,
microwave,
microwave,
kettle,
kettle,
toaster,
toaster,
blender,
blender,
sink,
sink,
cupboard,
cupboard,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
stove,
stove,
oven,
oven,
cutting board,
cutting board,
sponge,
sponge,
bedroom,
bedroom,
bed,
bed,
mattress,
mattress,
pillow,
pillow,
blanket,
blanket,
carpet,
carpet,
wardrobe,
wardrobe,
nightstand,
nightstand,
alarm clock,
alarm clock,
mirror,
mirror,
swing chair,
swing chair,
curtain,
curtain,
custom shelf,
custom shelf,
bathroom,
bathroom,
shower,
shower,
toothbrush,
toothbrush,
toothpaste,
toothpaste,
towel,
towel,
toilet paper,
toilet paper,
mouthwash,
mouthwash,
soap,
soap,
shampoo,
shampoo,
lotion,
lotion,
hairbrush,
hairbrush,
bathtub,
bathtub,
nail clippers,
nail clippers,
scrubber,
scrubber,
bath mat,
bath mat,
living room,
living room,
coffee table,
coffee table,
armchair,
armchair,
sofa,
sofa,
rug,
rug,
television,
television,
remote control,
remote control,
fireplace,
fireplace,
bookshelf,
bookshelf,
vase,
vase,
painting,
painting,
dining room,
dining room,
dining table,
dining table,
chair,
chair,
display cabinet,
display cabinet,
placemat,
placemat,
pitcher,
pitcher,
napkin,
napkin,
cutlery,
cutlery,
fork,
fork,
spoon,
spoon,
knife,
knife,
laundry room,
laundry room,
washing machine,
washing machine,
ironing board,
ironing board,
iron,
iron,
laundry basket,
laundry basket,
laundry detergent,
laundry detergent,
haul,
haul,
lamp,
lamp,
extension cord,
extension cord,
air conditioner,
air conditioner,
light switch,
light switch,
socket,
socket,
coat stand,
coat stand,
shoe stand,
shoe stand,
console table,
console table,
doormat,
doormat,
key holder,
key holder,
clock,
clock,
slipper,
slipper,
garage,
garage,
car,
car,
toolbox,
toolbox,
ladder,
ladder,
garden tools,
garden tools,
workbench.
workbench.
Thanks for watching.